So I'm here at the Neponset River, and it's just around freezing this morning, so not a great morning to be kayaking. But yeah, there's a section of trail in the Blue Hills that is blocked off by water on both ends. So I've been trying to figure out a way to get that, and I figured the kayak is probably the easiest way to get in and hike that little section to complete the 125-mile challenge in the Blue Hills. So let's see if this plan works today. So I dragged the kayak all out here for nothing today, apparently, because this little section behind me is what I couldn't pass before. And as you can see now, there's like a little bridge with logs and stuff. So it was all underwater last time I was here. So it looks like the river might have dropped a few feet, but let's go see if we could finish out this trail and get back in the kayak. Yeah, so that's pretty funny. Joke's on me. Both sections that were impassable because of flooding from the river and being a little bit higher are now just easy to step across. So anyways, I guess it was a fun time to take the kayak out. I might as well jump in the river and swim back and call this a triathlon attempt. It was only about a mile that I was missing on this little strip of land here, so I got a mile back to the kayak and jumped back in the river. And the paddle to get to that spot was, I think it was like a mile and a half. All right, it's beautiful out here though. A little chilly, but beautiful day. All right, let's go. Well, kayak's still here, so I guess I don't have to swim back. Yeah, it was a fun little trip, even if it was unnecessary. Joke's on me. All right, catch you later.